In a rare Saturday decision, the Supreme Court upheld a controversial new voter ID law in Texas. And its order comes in the closing weeks of a heated campaign season, with Election Day now 2 weeks from Tuesday. Julianna Goldman has more on the ruling and its possible impact.
Civil rights groups and the Justice Department strongly opposed Texas's strict voter ID law and filed an emergency petition to try to stop it. But today, 6 of the 9 justices denied their request. Voters in Texas will now be required to show one of 7 designated types of photo ID. Acceptable forms include a state driver's license, gun license, military ID, or passport. The decision came without explanation, which is typical in cases like this. But 3 justices, Ginsburg, Kagan, and Sotomayor, filed a dissenting opinion, saying, "The greatest threat to public confidence in elections in this case is the prospect of enforcing a purposefully discriminatory law." Discriminatory, they say, because minority and lower-income voters would face the biggest hurdles, like needing to take time off from work, travel great distances, or pay money to get birth certificates or acceptable forms of ID. A lower court judge struck down the law, finding that more than 600,000 Texas voters, mostly blacks and Latinos, don't have this kind of identification. But a federal appeals court blocked that decision, saying it was too close to the election to make changes. Today, the Supreme Court refused to intervene. The Texas Attorney General's office said they were pleased with the High Court's decision and pledged to continue to defend the law, calling voter ID laws a legal and sensible way to protect the integrity of elections. But Jim, we spoke today with the NAACP Legal Defense Fund, which said that Texas doesn't have a history of problems with in-person voter fraud, which is what this law is meant to prevent.
Julianna Goldman in our Washington newsroom tonight. Julianna, thank you.